So nothing much has happened in terms of repairing the collapsed cliff face up there, which has closed the road. See, there's a massive slab of chalk and green sand sat on the road surface up there. And some of the debris came down, big rocks. There's big rocks there, you can see. And as ever with island roads in the Isle of Wight Council, it's been met with inaction. Let's put the drone up, see how it looks from above. So I hope you're enjoying this video about Ventnor and the Undercliff. If so, then don't forget there are 2 books that I've written. One, Bird Watching Around Ventnor, creatively named, and the second one is Wildlife Watching Around Ventnor. Just short books about the local area that are the subject of this video. Available on Amazon. I'll put a link below for this video, and you can also order it from the library, and it's available in all major bookshops, both of these little booklets, and in a few shops along the Esplanade, like the Longshoremen's Museum and Lady Scarlett's Tea Room as well. But yeah, I'll put a link to the description if you want a slightly deeper dive into the Isle of Wight Undercliff. Then these 2 little booklets might be of interest to you. Just go onto Amazon otherwise and just search for Steve Jones and Ventnor and you should find them.